Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to watch high quality videos on YouTube. It's very quick and easy. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go to YouTube and open a video. I open this video. Now stop the video and click on setting in top right corner. Click on quality. Quality of current video is 480p. Click on advanced. All videos qualities are here. You can select any one of the following 720 or 1080. Now play video again. Here you can see the result. Again go to video settings and click on quality. Now click on bottom video quality setting. You can select permanent qualities here. If you select higher quality, working may be slow. If you select data saver or video quality on Wi-Fi, higher picture quality. I click on data saver. If I click here, then there are many options: reduce video quality, reduce download quality, or many options. You can select any one of the following. Like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.